Hey crew, today's video will be some hot lemon pepper wings, and this will be your game day recipe, your tailgating recipe, or if you're just having a party and having people over, you can throw these together real quick. So here are the ingredients we'll be using. We have some drums and some wings. We have salt, ground pepper, lemon pepper seasoning, and red hot wings, hot buffalo. If you'd like to see this full video, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like and comment on the video. Let's get into our hot lemon pepper wings. Alright crew, so starting off for our hot lemon pepper wings, I'm going to show y'all the seasonings one more time. Alright, so the only thing we're going to put on here is our salt, pepper, and lemon pepper seasoning. And you can season your wings however you want to. In the comment section down below, let me know how y'all doing, what y'all been up to. And let me know how y'all been enjoying the videos and the recipes that I've been putting out. And if you have tried any of them lately. Ain't nothing like some good old feedback when your people tell you, hey, I tried this and man, we loved it, or I loved it, or I took it to a potluck event and they ate the whole pot, they ate the whole pan, you know. And we're gonna fry these on top of the stove. It's not that many, and I'm making these for Deontay. He requested some after the spicy pineapple glazed wings. Alright crew, so a tip, take it like a little wood stick, or if you got a wooden spoon, whatever, just stick it in there. And then when you see bubbles, your grease is ready. And crew, never overcrowd your pan. Don't overcrowd it. It takes patience, so have the patience. Alright crew, so our grease has calmed down a whole lot. We're going to allow the wings to continue to crispen up. That's what they look like so far, but we want them a little bit darker. So we halfway through the process. And when we finish, I'll bring y'all back. Alright crew, so we're gonna remove our wings from the grease. Alright crew, so we're gonna move right along to buffalo sauce. We're gonna add 3 tablespoons of butter, the juice of a half a lemon, go in with how much you want. It's your wings. Have it your way with your sauce. We're gonna add a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Right there. Now I'm gonna go in there with our lemon pepper. Ooh, loud. Yeah, I know I don't like spicy stuff. There go our wings. We about to just flop them right in there. Smell of deliciousness, but I don't know about these. Call me a punk, whatever, but no thank you. Oh. Oh. Ooh. That's that famous close-up. Y'all can only smell this. That smells good. I may try one for y'all, but hey, I'm gonna let Big D have it. Alright, crew, so we're gonna hit them with a little bit of that lemon pepper. Alright, crew, I'm gonna give y'all that famous close-up of our hot lemon pepper wings.
Sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall.
So D, I know every time I make wings, you say Pops, I just want you to make one flavor wing. I surprise you with some hot lemon pepper wings. I need you to try one and just say what you think. And the rest is yours. You've been asking, so I finally surprised. I was gonna do it yesterday, but I had to cook dinner for the whole family, so I didn't get a chance. Thank you. You good? You gotta tell it to the camera. They gotta be able to hear you. You gotta be on camera. I know you're picking up.
The wing good, the sauce good. The good ratio and everything.
Taste the lemon pepper too. That's what you've been asking for? Did I do it justice?
Yeah.
Alright, I appreciate it. So y'all D, like him. I know he gonna kill him. Hope y'all enjoy the video. Please don't forget to thumbs up and comment on the video. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Y'all already know the saying. Pops out. Peace.